Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to share with y'all my everyday skincare routine. So before I dive into the actual products that I use on my skin, I want to give y'all a brief background on the type of skin that I have. So I have super oily skin that is extremely prone to acne and blackheads. So I used to have really bad acne and I still do break out every now and then. And I obviously do know that skincare plays a very small part in getting rid of acne. So if you all want me to make an entire video on how I got rid of my acne, I would love to make it for y'all. So anyway, let's just move on to my actual skincare routine. Even when I have a full face of makeup, I don't use a makeup remover. Instead, I like to use these two face washes. The first one is the Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem Face Wash, which claims to prevent pimples. And the second one is the Patanjali Neem and Tulsi Face Wash. Both of these face washes are extremely inexpensive and are also great cleansers and really help to remove the makeup. So the second step is to use a scrub. Now I obviously don't use a scrub every single day. I use it 3 to 4 times a week. The scrub that I use is the Everyuth Naturals Exfoliating Walnut Scrub. Now I don't love this scrub, but if you have like a normal skin type, you will love it. But since I have a skin that is extremely prone to blackheads, it doesn't do a very good job, but it has big granules which really help you get a good scrub. Now following the whole pattern of cleansing your skin from within, I like to use nose strips. Now the one that I use is the Biore Deep Cleansing Pore Strip. The second one too is a Biore nose strip, but it has activated charcoal in it. All you have to really do is twist the nose strip to make it comfortable. Wet your nose, peel it off and stick it on your nose and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it becomes hard, all you have to do is rip it off. It hurts a little bit, not too much, but it really is satisfying yet gross. Now this is something that I use every single day after every wash, and it really is a life-changing product. I've been only using this product for 3 months, hence the travel size, and I like to use it as a toner. And it also takes off all the extra makeup on my skin, so I'm assured that I am 100% clean and free of makeup. Now I like to use face packs quite often, almost every single day. The two face packs that I use and I love are the Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem Pack for normal to oily skin, and the other one that I love is by Patanjali. It's the Multani Mitti Face Pack. Now I like to use these face packs in a sort of combination. Since my forehead is oily, I like to use the Patanjali Multani Mitti, which really helps with the oiliness and to balance out the skin. And on the rest of the face, which is really acne prone, I like to use the Purifying Neem Pack. Now every morning as a moisturizer, I like to use the Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel. This aloe vera gel is really cheap and it feels really soothing and cooling on the skin. And every night I like to use the Clarins Double Serum. And yes, this is an oil. I too was really skeptical about putting an oil on my already oily skin, but that's really a myth. But it works absolutely fine and I can see results every single morning when I wake up. Either ways, if I use the aloe vera gel or the serum, I like to warm up the product between my fingers, and instead of rubbing it and smearing it all over my face, I like to press it into my skin so that the skin is easily able to absorb it, I guess. Now I like to use castor oil. Castor oil is great for hair growth, so I like to use it on my eyebrows and my eyelashes as well. Now I used to have extremely sparse eyelashes and eyebrows, but honestly ever since I've started using this, I can see a difference. All I really like to do is shake it up and warm up the product between my fingers and apply it to my lower and upper eyelashes and also my eyebrows. Now there is anything that you will take away from this video, it would be to apply castor oil on your eyelashes. It has made such a huge difference. And also one more thing, the second thing that you can take away from this video is to use Bioderma, because the first time I ever used it, I could see a difference the very next morning. And for lips, I like to use the EOS lip balms. Really basic, they moisturize really well, nothing really special about it, they do the job. Lastly, I like to use the Avent face mist throughout the day. You can even use this on your makeup. There's nothing really special about it. If you're feeling dull, you can just spray it on and it refreshes your makeup and makes you feel fresh. So yeah, that was my everyday skincare routine. Also, I will be posting the highly requested makeup routine in a couple of days. So subscribe, and also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also follow my social medias. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.